Uh, Hi everyone. Sorry I haven't been posting lately, I've been really stressed about some school things, but I'm here now. By the way, this isn't my real voice, this is an AI voice in CapCut. But anyway, I didn't have any ideas for the next video, so I just decided to show you guys a drawing I made today. I'm not the best at perspective, so I really struggled with most of the drawing mainly because of the hands positioning and stuff like that. I think I finished the arm hand in like 4 hours, cause I couldn't find the right pose for the hand, but I did it somehow. Anyway, I must stop talking and let you guys watch the video in peace.